Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 4. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Dear students, I welcome you all in your online social studies class. Dear students, as you know that we have completed our reading and explanation of lesson number 15, social education. Now it's time to do its exercises on the book page number 78. The first activity is fill in the blanks with the correct words. Here are some words given to you and you have to fill these blanks by putting these words. Let's read. Number 1 is the dash and the elders have the responsibility of caring and nurturing children. The dash and the elders have the responsibility of caring and nurturing children. Government. You have to fill this blank by putting the word government. Number 2, a dash is a person who has not yet attained maturity. He or she is protected and taken care of by the parents till adulthood. Here you have to put child, because a child is a person who has not yet attained maturity. Okay, the third one is in Islam, the dash have certain responsibilities toward their children. Who have the responsibilities? Definitely parents. Here you have to write parents. In Islam, the parents have certain responsibilities toward their children. It is the duty of the parents to take care of and bring up their children. You have to write here children. Okay, properly. Similarly, it is also the duty of the children to take care of their parents in old age. You have to write here old age. Okay. We have completed our fill in the blanks. The next one is mark whether the following statements are true or false. You have to read these statements, then you have to write true or false. Number 1, the basic needs of every child are clothing, food and education. Yes, it's true. The second one is average child should go to work. False. बच्चों को काम के लिए नहीं जाना चाहिए. Number 3 is health care in some countries. यहाँ spelling countries के गलत हैं. Health care in some countries is provided by its government free of cost to all its citizens. Yes, it's true. बहुत सी कंट्रीज़ में जो है, पाकिस्तान में भी गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल्स होते हैं, सिविल हॉस्पिटल्स होते हैं, जहाँ पे हेल्थ केयर ट्रीटमेंट्स जो हैं वो फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट सिटीजन्स को प्रोवाइड की जाती हैं. Number 4 is parents should not be employed for work in factories, home, industries and shops. It's false. Parents तो कहीं पे भी काम कर सकते हैं ना, फैक्ट्रीज़ में, इंडस्ट्रीज़ में, शॉप्स में. So it's false. Okay, number 5 is proper diet and food should not be given to young girls. It's false. चाहे गर्ल्स हों, चाहे बॉयज़ हों, जेंडर इक्वालिटी होनी चाहिए. Proper diet, boys and girls दोनों को मिलनी चाहिए. Okay, dear students, your homework is to complete the book page number 70 and you have also practiced it at your home in your rough copies and memorize the blanks and true false. Okay, we will meet in our next video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.